Hi there, here's a video which will show you how you can do a security wipe on your Blackberry Z10. Now before you start doing this, it's very important that you have enough battery power to complete the process. If the wipe is interrupted or does not complete, it may mean your device won't start again. I've done a video which can help you out on this, it will be just below. But providing you have enough power, let's start a wipe. We go to settings. We go to security and privacy, and we're looking for the security wipe option. Okay, here it says selecting security wipe will delete all of the data on this device. This includes downloaded apps, email accounts, media files and application data such as bookmarks and documents. If you would like to keep these files, save these files on your computer before you begin, enter Blackberry to confirm you want to delete. So I will do that. Okay, then press delete data. The screen goes blank. And it's important to just let it go its natural course. Although it's not indicating something is happening, you know, you may be tempted to take the battery out, perhaps restart it, but just let it run its course. You can see just there's a red light that's appeared in the top right. Now we have the Blackberry logo, security wipe in progress. And in the interests of time, I decided to fast forward this section of the security wipe in progress. Nothing changes on the screen until it's complete. When it is complete, the screen goes blank, and at that point you can press the power button and the Blackberry will load again. So that's what happens shortly. With that said, I've completed the video. I hope this has been useful to you. Please thumbs up so others can find it also. Subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. I'll let the rest of the video play out, and have a good day. Thanks a lot.